So we're going to start the lacing style by taking the lace through the first loop on the front of the shoe. When you pass your lace through, just make sure that you're keeping it as flat as possible. And then without taking the lace all the way through, we're going to make sure that the two sides of the lace are the same length by bringing the ends together and pulling up. If one side is slightly slacker than the other, just adjust them so you get the same tension in both and you have the same length. So we're going to start with the outside lace first. We're going to bring it up through the outside loop. As you're passing it through, just guide it through with your finger and make sure it's sitting flat. And then we're going to take the inside lace and we're going to bring that up through the inside loop. Then we're going to take the outside lace, bring it across the shoe to the second loop on the inside. And then the inside lace comes across the shoe to the outside second loop. Keep that lace in your hand and bring it across the shoe to the inside third loop. Then take the inside lace and bring that across the shoe to the outside third loop. It's got a little bit of a twist. Let's bring it back through. And now we're going to just slacken them off a little bit, opening up the shoe. And then we're going to take the outside lace, bring it across the shoe, and we're going to take it out through this first hole here on the inside of the shoe. Then we're going to take the inside lace and we're going to bring it across. I'm going to take it out again through that first hole on the outside of the shoe. Again, just keep it all nice and relaxed. And then there's two different ways I'm going to show you to finish off this style. I do wear my Cloudmonsters for running and I've tried both styles of finishing off. So this one's a bow. You've got enough lace here to make a bow. And when I've worn it with a bow before, it stays in place, it doesn't slip out. So it's a good way to finish off this style. So that's one way that you can finish off your Cloudmonster. Another way, which is actually my preference, whether I'm just wearing these leisurely or I'm running in them, is a factory knot. And that would be that you bring your laces together, bring them all the way to the shoe. Now for both finishing off, I should have said that you should do this part when you've actually got the shoe on your foot. And what you need to do with this one is just wrap the two laces, keeping them nicely snugly together. Make a loop around your finger, and then you're going to pass this through here to make another loop there. So I'm just going to bring that through, and then I'm going to pull on this a little bit back like that. Just adjust it to make sure that your two loops sit one inside the other. So you've got it nice and tight. And there is the factory knot to finish off your Cloudmonsters. I do like this way of finishing it off. Not only does it add that casual look, but it's also guaranteed to not slip, and it makes them look super smart. Thanks for watching.